Hi, I'm Rovena. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm going to share a unique and flavorful dish that brings together the traditional ingredients from our Manglorean kitchen, the mutton mince, the sprouted green grams and the bamboo shoots. This recipe is a perfect blend of earthly flavors, the tender mutton mince complementing with the distinct taste of bamboo shoots. The sprouted green grams helps to balance the heat from the bamboo shoot. Watch my video till the end. I am going to share all those tips on how to prepare the bamboo shoots before we cook. So let's get started.
I've kept all the ingredients ready. I've already shared my video on how to peel and cut fresh bamboo shoots, but if you're using a store-bought salted bamboo shoot, soak it in hot water to remove excess salt. If you're using fresh bamboo, soak in water for 2 to 3 days. Changing the water regularly helps to remove the toxins and the bitterness. Here I am using Rovena's Bafat masala powder. So our ingredients are ready. Let's start the preparation. In a vessel I am just adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Coconut oil tastes very nice. Next I am adding 3 onions that are finely chopped. So saute it for a while until they turn musky. While frying the onions, it's good to add salt to taste as the onions get fried easily. So be mindful while adding salt here, because in case you're using the preserved or the salted bamboo shoots, you need to be very careful about the salt part. So in case you're using the preserved bamboo shoots, then just soak it in hot water for some time so that you remove the excess salt. Next I also added 3 sprigs of curry leaves and 1 full pod of garlic that I have already crushed. Next add the finely chopped ginger, fry it for some time and then add the tomatoes. I have used 2 tomatoes. Fry until all the ingredients turn soft and aromatic. Next it's time to add our mutton mince. I have nicely cleaned the mutton mince with 2 to 3 rounds of water. I have drained the excess water and have now added it to this masala. Next add the finely chopped bamboo shoots. It's better all the ingredients like the green gram and the bamboo shoot cook along with the mutton so that it absorbs all the flavor. So here I have soaked the bamboo shoots for 3 days. So it's at least, if you are short of time, try to soak it for at least 2 days so that all the toxins and the bitterness is gone. I have already shared a video on how to clean and cut the bamboo shoots. So this is the season to get fresh bamboo shoots. So get your fresh bamboo shoots from the market and store it in the refrigerator and use it all through the year. Just added the sprouted green gram. Mix all the ingredients and let it cook for some time. These ingredients doesn't take much time to cook since the mutton is already minced and the green gram is already sprouted. The bamboo shoot cooks very fast. So let's season this dish with some coconut and the masala powder. Check in case you need salt to taste, but if you are using the salted bamboo shoots, then there is no need to add in extra salt. I am using Rovena's Bafat masala powder. You can use masala powder of your choice. Also, you can try preparing this by using the vegetable powder. The recipe is mentioned in the description box. In case you want to buy my masala powders, you can also find the link in the description box. Our masala powders are free from artificial flavors and colors. Give a good mix and simmer it for a few more minutes, and that's it. Delicious and nutritious sprouted green grams, bamboo shoot and mutton mince sukka is ready to serve. I am preparing some fulkas or chapatis to serve it along with this dish. You can also try serving it with the patri or plain rice bakris or bread. This is a seasonal special dish and I hope you try it soon and let me know in comments how you like this dish. You can also season this dish with some ghee to balance the heat from the bamboo shoots. Please try this recipe and let me know in comments. In case you want to try a vegetarian version, you can just exclude the mutton mince. Even that tastes good. Thank you so much friends for watching with video. I'll be soon back with more new recipes here. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking. Bye bye.